how to convert your email list into customers, you need to ask how to make money from information. Because emails are cash sources and data prices exceed the price of oil. And the message must be personalized. Campaigns need to target the right audience for you to transform the information from your emails into potential customers. You can't send an email to someone just because they're on your list and expect them to like it. And at HVMA Social Media, we convert online audience into customers by building data-driven marketing campaigns. And unlike other marketing agencies, we rely on the data. We are a data-driven operation, and we try to understand the target audience instead of just creating another post or another email and hope for the best. Our goal is to help you make better decisions in your daily marketing and get higher return.